Happy New Year to you all, guys. So in today's video, I'll be giving you two powerful praise bass line you can use throughout this year 2025. So if you're interested and you want to power up your groove on praise, either African praise or let's say Ghanaian praise, any praise, this is the right video for you. Okay, before we start the breakdown, I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp only. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so to those who will be needing the song for practice, I want you to watch the video to the end so that you don't miss where the link will pop up for you to download. When you see the link, click on the link. It will take you direct to where the song is for you to download, and you can download it for free. Okay, so guys, we'll be looking at the first groove praise bass line. Okay. Note that this is a Ghanaian song, but if you are any part of the country, maybe you don't understand the song, you can just go with the progression. When you understand the progression, then you can start to apply this bass line in your own local praise song. Okay, so da, 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 da. Okay, so that is from 1 to 4. Okay, so what did I play on my 1 going to the 4? Me, oh, me. So I'll be starting from 1 going to the 4. So 1 4. So this was how I played it. So okay, 1. So you play a ghost note on that your 5 note before you play 5 6 1. Then now you'll be playing the 4. Then you use the root and octave. 1 5 6 1. But you make sure you start from the octave. You block the octave 2 times. That's your 4. Then you come to your root. That's your 4. So me. Practice this very well. Okay. So back to 1. So when you're done playing your 4 4 4, you become to your 1. Then you play 5 6 1. Then you come to your 1. Then you start from the octave 1 1 1. You understand? Okay. 1 5 6 1 1 1 1. Then you'll be going to your 3 6. Okay, 3 6 progression. So now make sure that you have learned your 1 4 1 groove. 1 4 4 4. Back to your 1 1 1 1. Now to your 3 6. Okay. So now to your 3 6. So okay. So that is your 6 7 2. 6 7 2. Then you're going to your 6. What you did on the 4, you do the same on the 6, starting from your octave 6 6 6. Okay. So now let's go together. 1 4 4 4. 5 6 1 1 1 1. 6 7 2 6 6 6. Then now to your 2. So when you play 6 6 6, then 5 6 1, you come to your 5 6 1 again. Then you go to the 2 5 6 1. Then 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Okay. So back to your 1. So 2 2 2. Then this is gonna make it up like a 5 progression. 5 6 1 1 1 1. 5 6 1 1 1 1. Then you have end the song. Me pa pa pa. Do 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 do. 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 So you see that when you're going to every progression, this 5 5-6-1 is like filling up the space, which maybe you don't know what to play there. But when you play that 5-6-1, then you have tried to fill up that space. Okay, so you can just play me wo nyame da 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 da. You understand? When you bring that da da da, you understand? So this is how you play it. 5-6. You pluck on 5. I'm on 6. Pluck on 1. Okay. So me do 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 do. Back to your 1. 1 1 1 3 6 2. Into your 5. Then back to your 1. So practice this very well. So let's continue. The same. So now you're going to your 5. So 5 progression. So you can learn this if you want to go to a 5 on any praise. It will work, okay? 5-6-1 6-2 5. Okay. So I did 5-6-1 6-2 5. That is, I'm still grooving on my 5. Okay, so da 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 5 5 5. You understand? Okay, 5-6-1 6-2 5 6-7-2 5 2-3-5. So when you play 2-3-5, then you go into your 6-1-6-7-5-7-1. Okay, that is a 6-7-1 progression. So you do it 6-1-6-7-5-7-1. So let's continue. Nyambi 2-4-1-4-3-2. So when you come to your 1 6-7-6-1-5-7-1, bam bam. Make sure you don't miss this. 7-1. Let's continue. So when you play okay, so 4-4-4. Now to your 6 and 2. So on the 6, this was how I played it. So that is 4-4-4 2-3-5 2-3-5 2-2-2. Okay. So 2-2-2. You do it again. 2-3-5 5-5 2-3-5 1-1-1. You see, now I'm now playing the 2-3-5 now instead of me playing the 5-6-1 because so 1 Nyami 2-4 y da da. You do it again. Nyami 6-2-2-2. Your 6 progression 5. Then 5-6-1 1-1. So learn that. If any song you be playing 4-6-2-5-5-1 again 4-6-2-5-5-1, then you can bring this 4-2-2. Okay, 5-1. Okay, 4-2-5-1. Okay, so master it. Master the progression first, then practice with the song so that you get it very well. Then you can start to apply this bass line to any praise bass line out there. So now let's look at a second praise bass line. Me wonya me. 1 1 1 3 5 6 4. Then now you'll be descending back to your 1. So 4, then you descend to your 1. 1 4 4 4 3 2 1. 1 4 4 4 3 2 1. So you join the both together. 1 1 1 3 5 6 4. 1 4 4 4 3 2 1. Then to your 6. So 1. Okay, so you're using the 4th string. Okay. 5 1 1 1 7 6 5 3 6. Then to your 2 progression. So 6 1 1 sharp 2. So 6 1 1 sharp 2. 2 6 6 5 6 5 2 1 5 2 2 1 2 1 5 1. So it's like you're playing 2 then 5 1 then 1. Then you're going to your 4 4. You understand? Okay. Me. Oh. You can continue. You understand? So let's continue. The same. So now you're going to your 5. So 2 2 2 2 2 2. So now you won't end on the 1 again. You'll be ending on the 5. 5 2 2 1 2 1 6. Oh, kanana. Or kamihu. Okay. Oh, kayehu. You understand? So it goes 5 2 2 1 2 1 6 5. Okay. So okay, 5 5 2 2 1 2 1 6 5 2 6 6 5 6 5 2. Okay, you understand? So when you end on the 5, five 1 7 5 6 1 6 7 5 7 1. Write it down. Okay, so 7 1 5 5 1 5 1 4. Okay, so 4. That is your 6 and 2. 4 4 5 2 2 1 2 1 6 2. Okay. Okay, then to your 5. So just like that. Okay, 4 6 2 5 2 2 1 2 1 6 5 5 2 2 1 2 1 5 1. You understand? Okay, you take it to your 4. 1 yummy 2 4 yeah ye. Why? You understand? Okay, just like that. Your 4, your 2, your 5, just like that. So let me take it slow so that you write it down very well. 1 5 2 2 1 2 1 5 4. 1 5 2 2 1 2 1 6 2. Okay, 1 5 2 2 1 2 1 6 5 2 1 5 1. You understand? Okay, 5 2 2 1 2 1 6 2. 5 2 2 1 2 1 6 5. 5 2 2 1 2 1 5. You can now use it. Okay, so this is the two powerful bass line I'll be giving to you. Okay, practice it very well. Practice these two bass line very well and start using them even in your own personal praise cover or praise song like this. Okay, make sure you understand the progression very well. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Happy New Year.